जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं। जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। नित्यमुक्तं निर्विकल्पं ध्यानलोकप्रदीपकं।
పరమహంస నిత్యానంద ఈ శతాబ్దపు మరువలేని పోలికలేని ఒక ఆధ్యాత్మిక శక్తి, ఒక అంతర్జాతీయ సాంఘిక ఆధ్యాత్మిక ప్రభంజనాన్ని స్థాపించిన ఒక అద్భుత శక్తి, వైదిక ధర్మాన్ని పునరుద్ధరించడానికి ఉద్భవించిన ఒక చైతన్య శక్తి. ఆయన అతి పవిత్రమైన తిరువణ్ణామలై క్షేత్రంలో జన్మించారు. ఒక యోగిగా జన్మించి తనలో సహజంగానే పొంగిపొర్లే ఆధ్యాత్మికతను కోట్ల మందికి పంచుతూ స్ఫూర్తినిచ్చే ఒక అమోఘ శక్తి. అతి పురాతనమైన యోగా విద్యలో ప్రావీణ్యం కలిగి ఆధ్యాత్మిక శాస్త్రాన్ని క్షుణ్ణంగా పరిశోధన చేసిన ఒక మహాద్భుతమైన అంతఃప్రపంచపు పరిశోధకులు, ఆత్మజ్ఞానాన్ని ప్రసాదించే గురువులు. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం పరమహంస నిత్యానంద ఆయన జ్ఞానామృతాన్ని, ఆనందం వెదజల్లే ఆయన చిరునవ్వుని, తిరుగులేని ఆయన దీక్ష యొక్క శక్తిని 1 కోటికి పైగా ఉన్న ఆయన శిష్యులకు పంచుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు పరమహంస నిత్యానంద మీరు జీవన్ముక్తులుగా జీవించడానికి తోడ్పడే పరిష్కారాలను మీకు అందజేస్తున్నారు. ఒక మరువలేని ఆధ్యాత్మిక అనుభవం కొరకు మమ్మల్ని వెంటనే సంప్రదించండి.
వందే సనాతనం పుణ్యం నిత్యానందాయ స్వాగతం. సర్వధర్మ ప్రణేతారం సచ్చిదానంద రూపిణం వందే సనాతనం పుణ్యం నిత్యానందాయ స్వాగతం. వేద వేదాంత సంవేద్యం దేవదేవీ స్వరూపిణం వందే వటపలాశిస్థం.
As fire is covered by smoke, as a mirror is covered by dust, or as the embryo is covered by the womb, so also the living being is covered by the tendency of going out. Bhagavan is using the word malenacha. Exactly. The word means in this place the tendency of going out, pattern of moving out. Even if it is the reason of fear, if you are constantly going out, it is equivalent to lust. Whether desire or the fear, whatever it may be, the reason, the pattern of moving out, the pattern of constantly engaging yourself in the outer world. Bhagavan is using beautiful examples in this sutra. Sri Krishna is the ultimate intelligence possible in the human body. He says very clearly, like fire covered by smoke means the moment you remove the smoke, you will see the fire there. As the mirror covered by the dust, the moment you remove the dust, you will see the mirror inside. Same way, tena itam avrutam garbhatata tena itam avrutam. Bhagavan is beautifully describing the source. Life is covered by the patterns of extravert. I am telling you, please understand, maybe with these few sacred secrets you will understand. I will interpret this whole verse in the angle of health. Your life, your being, has the capacity to heal you, to produce anything for your health at any time, anywhere. Even in the deathbed, you are in coma. Any moment you may pass away, the person may die. Even at that last moment, the life which is there inside the body is capable of producing all the chemicals needed to heal the body and cure itself and come out of the whole disease within a second. If next moment life is going to leave the body, till this moment it has a capacity to produce the chemicals needed in its body and completely cure itself and get out of any disease, any disorder, any difficulty. Unless I explain what is life, you will not feel like discovering it, reaching to it. That is life. Life in you can release any chemical needed in your body any time and get you out of any disease. For example, if you are having a tumor or some other problem or any deficiency, blood pressure, sugar, any problem, your life has a capacity to cure yourself in this moment, at this moment. It's a basic truth. Pattern of outgoing extravert is reason, that is the main reason why the recovery is not happening immediately. Dhumena avriyate vannihi yata adarshaha malena cha. Bhagavan is poet also. Sri Krishna is a poet.
కల్పతరు అద్భుతమైన ఆరోగ్యాన్ని ప్రసాదించే దీవెనలను అందుకోండి. అన్ని రకాల అనారోగ్యాలకు గల మూల కారణాలను తొలగించండి. మీలోని శక్తిని 1300% పెంచండి. కల్పతరు అనే ఈ ఒక్కరోజు కార్యక్రమం మీ అనారోగ్యాన్ని తొలగించే శక్తివంతమైన కార్యక్రమం. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొని ధ్యానం మరియు దీక్ష యొక్క శక్తిని పొందండి. మీలోని కుండలిని శక్తిని మేల్కొల్పి మీ శారీరక మానసిక ఆరోగ్యాన్ని మెరుగుపరిచే అమోఘమైన కార్యక్రమం కల్పతరు. ప్రతి వారాంతములో కల్పతరు కార్యక్రమం బిడిది ఆశ్రమంలో నిర్వహించబడును. మమ్మల్ని సంప్రదించవలసిన చిరునామా నిత్యానంద ధ్యానపీఠం, నిత్యానంద నగర్, బిడది 562109, బెంగళూరు. ఫోన్ చేయవలసిన నంబరు 095500000550 లేదా 096185191701. మా వెబ్సైట్ www.nityananda.org.
It's a very poetic way he is explaining. Life is covered by the patterns of going out. I think I should explain about life little more detailed, only then you will understand the outgoing pattern, the extravert pattern, how it is destroying you, how it is destroying your life, how it is killing you, literally. If I have to describe the qualities of life, life can heal your body at this moment. Second, life has the capacity to make any of your desire into reality. Any desire. just it can be made into reality. Life can safeguard you, can protect you from any external impact. These are all the basic few truths. But that life is not experienced by you. That life is not becoming part of your life. That life is not living through you just because of the external pattern. The pattern of engaging yourself constantly with external things. It is not just lust entertains you in the external world. Many times even fear. Because you have fear of ghosts, you are constantly worried about the outside. Because you have fear of losing your wealth, constantly you are planning to lock it, lock it, lock it. Understand? Fear also constantly engages you externally. Whether it is greed or fear, the extravert, the external engaging pattern is crime. Constantly don't engage yourself in the external pattern. Destroys your whole life in every step. Every step it destroys you. Please understand. Every step, whether it's your health or mind, wealth, social status, relationships, in every line, the expansion of life is destroyed by the extra sense, the extravert sense. This is a sacred secret. Expansion of life is destroyed by the pattern of moving constantly external. The pattern of constantly engaging yourself with outer things. Spend at least 1 hour a day without engaging with the outer world things. Just sitting with you, engaging with your life, engaging yourself with the source which can cure all disease of your body, which can make all desires of your being into reality, which can make you take responsibility into anything. Just like a disease, the fear of taking responsibility is also one more disease. At least in disease, that part is not working. For example, your hands and legs are not working in disease. But if you are not taking any responsibility, even if it is working, what is the use? I tell you. Unable to take the responsibility, disease, unable to be in light mood all the time. These are all the major disorders in the life. Life can bring you to the light mood any moment. It can just get you out of any disturbance or stress any moment.
ఒక అవతార పురుషుని దివ్య సలహాను నేరుగా పొందాలనుకుంటున్నారా? ఇప్పుడు మీకు పరమహంసతో ముఖాముఖి.
నిత్యానందం, నిత్యానంద హియర్.
పరమహంస నిత్యానంద మరొక్కసారి పోలిక లేని ఒక విభిన్నమైన కానుకను ప్రపంచానికి అందచేస్తున్నారు. ఆయన ఇప్పుడు ప్రతిరోజు ఉదయం ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారమయ్యే సత్సంగంలో మీ ప్రశ్నలకి జవాబు ఇవ్వడానికి సిద్ధముగా ఉన్నారు.
చూసుకుంటాను. No, you ask anything you want in your life. Ask me any boon you want.
ఉదయం 8 గంటలకు మా నంబరు 08027279999కి ఫోన్ చేసే అదృష్టవంతులకు ఆయనతో నేరుగా మాట్లాడే దివ్యమైన అవకాశం దక్కుతుంది. మరియు ఉదయం ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారమయ్యే సత్సంగం ntv.nityananda.org లో చూడగలరు.
Your life can create any extraordinary ecstasy in you and keep you in light mood in a second. If you are in the worst depression of your life can create in a second the energy and take you to the ecstasy. All patterns are like stones, rocks lying on the river. Only when the water comes down in the river, the rocks are seen outside. If the water is overflowing, flooding, stones will never be seen. Same way, if the energy is overflowing, your patterns will never be seen. It is all drowned. Stone inside the ocean never hurts the ocean. Stone inside the flooded water will never be dangerous for you. When the water comes down, the stone is dangerous. When the energy comes down, the pattern is dangerous. Life can infuse energy into you this moment, can get you out of any pattern, suffering, depression. Life has a capacity. Unfortunately, you don't respect life as a capacity. You constantly struggle with external to sort out your problems. I tell you, for example, you are having a fever. How much of time it takes for you to get the medicine and put it in your mouth? Less time only takes for you to tell your life, please heal it. You have an extraordinary pharmaceuticals inside, and you are going out for anacin, metacin, searching for medical shop. A kalpataru is sitting inside you, the life. It is unfortunate you don't engage with your life. Constantly trying to sort out all your problems only by external solution and not believing or trusting solutions can be achieved internally. Internally, you have the possibility for solution. That is where the whole problem is. You neither trust nor work. The solution is possible internally. When you look in, work internally, many more things can be sorted out more easily, more quickly. Life can be experienced more lightly and more juicily. That's the most important thing. Please understand. Life needs to be lived with a lot of enthusiasm and juice. The technical terms I am using, please catch those technical terms. Only then you will be able to catch the whole truth. First, I am using a technical term. Life means powerful enough to heal all your physical patterns and mental patterns without any time, just like that. That is one term. Second, your pattern of constantly believing the solution is only in the outer world, outer decisions, external, That is what Bhagavan calls Malenacha, Mala, the extravert. Third, this extravert tendency stops you solving any problem or pattern at its roots. That's all. Such simple way, Bhagavan has uttered one of the greatest truths of life. Understand? Sometimes our people think, hey, what is the use of me sitting and closing the eyes and when I am not able to concentrate or meditate? No. Even if you are not able to concentrate, even if you are not able to meditate, you just sitting with closed eyes, you are waiting for the solution from right direction. If you are just constantly engaging yourself with the externally, with the outer world, be very clear, then you are not understanding the solution in the right direction. Waiting for the solution from the right direction itself is a great thing. Even if you are not able to concentrate, every day the moment time comes, just sit. Engage in the internal world. Engage with your internal life.
కల్పతరు మీలోని కుండలిని శక్తిని తెలుసుకోగల ఒక ప్రత్యేక కార్యక్రమము కల్పతరు. పూర్తిగా ఒకరోజు జరిగే ఈ కార్యక్రమములో ఆరోగ్యకరమైన అద్భుతమైన మార్పును పొందగలరు. అవతారమూర్తి పరమహంస నిత్యానంద స్వామివారి ఆశీస్సులను ప్రత్యేకంగా పొందగల కార్యక్రమం కల్పతరు. కుండలిని అంటే ఏమిటి? కుండలిని అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కరిలోనూ దాగి ఉన్న అద్భుత శక్తి. కుండలిని శక్తి ఒక ధ్యానోదయమైన గురుదేవుల దీక్షతో చైతన్యపరచవచ్చు. ఈ కుండలిని శక్తి మీ జీవితంలో అన్ని దశలలోనూ అభివృద్ధికరమైన మార్పులను తేగలిగే శక్తి. అది మీలో ఆరోగ్యాన్ని, ఐశ్వర్యాన్ని, విజయాన్ని, ఆనందాన్ని, ఆధ్యాత్మిక ధ్యానోదయాన్ని కలిగిస్తుంది. ప్రతి వారాంతములో కల్పతరు కార్యక్రమం బిడిది ఆశ్రమంలో నిర్వహించబడును. మమ్మల్ని సంప్రదించవలసిన చిరునామా నిత్యానంద ధ్యానపీఠం, నిత్యానంద నగర్, బిడది 562109, బెంగళూరు. ఫోన్ చేయవలసిన నంబరు 095500000550 లేదా 098185190701. మా వెబ్సైట్ www.nityananda.org.
There is every possibility, every problem, however worst you may think, can be solved from the life inside. From the life inside. When you experience life inside, you just feel life everywhere. I tell you, if you can catch the glimpse of your life outside your 6 feet frame, that is ecstasy. I tell you, if you are not experiencing life outside your 6 feet, you are a poor fellow. That's the worst poverty. I tell you, poverty is the number of bodies and spaces in which you can feel your life. Poverty is dependent on, poverty is based on the number of places and spaces you can feel your life. Expansion happens only when you try to find solution with internal energy, life. Expansion has nothing to do with external solutions. When you are engaging yourself extravert, when you are engaging yourself trying to find solution extravert, expansion is simply impossible. Expansion is only when you try to engage yourself internally. with your life. When the life becomes source of your health, joy, inspiration, expansion, just like that happens. Feeling, life, more than your 6 feet frame is richness. If you feel life other than your the problem is even in the 6 feet frame people don't feel the life completely. What to do? I am telling you, I see people so insensitive, not even alive inside their own 6 feet frame. Problem is, you don't see, please understand, your body is huge ashram, where you have your house, your luggage godown, your secretariat, your decision making center, your execution center, everything. But unfortunately you feel your body as only a house, your house. For the office and decision making you have to go out. You think your body is only your house. For all other things you need external help. It is not. Your body is hospital internal, inside, house inside, everything inside. Your body has its own pharmacy. You just need to give the prescription. Your body has its own hospital to plan strategy to come out of any problem. You just need to give the suggestion and it just solves the problem. Everything inside your body is miniature of cosmos. It is so unfortunate. You think your body is only your house. Your body is not useful for anything else. That is the most unfair. That's the right word I am using. Please understand, unfair. Because society has not told you the truth. You have all the treasure inside, but you are constantly made to believe you are a beggar. It's really unfair. The fellows who are making you believe you are a beggar are criminals. Your body is not just your house. It is a huge strategy planning mechanism. Sit with your body, sit with yourself internally. It can solve the whole problem, whether it is a physical disease or mental mood swing or the psychological pattern sufferings or not having creativity. For every problem, creativity, leadership, everything comes when you sit engaging yourself internally. So, the essence of this verse, stop the pattern of trying to find solution externally. Stop outsourcing.